Projects or jobs in standard time can have attachments which can be used to illustrate what a project looks like or how it should be built or the details of that job. Here is the typical projects list. You see a simple textual list, rows and columns. I'm going to make this display look a little different. I'm going to first of all just right click and hide this column, the description. We won't use that. And then right click and choose Insert Column. There are three possible choices here for attachments. This first one is textual. The second one is an image for uploaded attachments, and the third is similar to that with some additional characteristics. So I'm just going to choose this middle one, and you can see that the view now is reset, and I'm just widening that column. If you click on a job, over on the right hand side are the properties of that job. I've collapsed most of these, and I'm just going to go down to the extra section, and you will see an attachments section there. Click this little icon, then click the green plus button to add a new attachment to this job, which you can see in the view has no attachment. And click that, choose an item, and now it is uploading. You can see the toaster message here saying that it is uploaded, and then the view is refreshed to show that attachment. And you can have, as you can see here, multiple attachments. So when I click on this job, go over to the right hand side and click on the attachments icon, you can see multiple attachments here show up in this list. So this now allows you to enhance jobs with attachments. Now some of those may not display if they're not image related, but these first ones here are images. So give that a try, see if that helps you describe the jobs or projects that you'll be working on.